Hello, David Galter, business startup expert and entrepreneur from Winning Home Business. Welcome aboard today. Now folks, if you're very new to business, you're feeling a bit anxious, a bit uncertain, not sure where to start, how to do your marketing, how to do your books, how to do social media, totally natural. Well, what I can say, you're in the right place today. I have to offer for you today some free, very valuable information. I have 27 3-minute business tips for new entrepreneurs and new business owners starting in the market for the very first time. Information that will make your business journey more pleasurable, safe and successful as you move along, to grow your business and expand and to make you successful without all the stress, the hassles and expensive mistakes. So click on the link below and start on my 3-minute business tips. Number 1, you'll be thrilled about the information you receive, and along the way you'll also receive some great valuable bonuses that will make your business journey even more successful and pleasurable. So I wish you warm wishes and every success in your new business venture. David Galter, business entrepreneur and startup expert from Winning Home Business. Welcome aboard.